Hello and welcome to another 164 scale custom video. This is going to be part 1 for this build. This truck's done. This is a previous truck that I had. It had just a brass flatbed on it, but I made a welding bed for it. It's nice. Well, I think it is. But anyway, this video is not about this truck. It's about this one. This is a greenlight Dodge 3500 dually. It came with a utility bed on it originally, but I decided to make me a welding bed for it. This is not the finished product of a welding bed. This is just a mock-up to see how it's gonna look. It's made out of brass. The bed is off of one of these Ertl trucks. I think it was this one. It came off of this, which I showed in the last video. But anyway, this is the build that I'm going to be doing next. It's going to be a welding truck. I did have to modify the frame a little bit to fit the bed. I'm going to have to do some more modifying, but right now this is the product. It looks nice, I think. I don't know what everybody else thinks, but another nice thing is it actually rolls. So but in comparison to my other trucks, it's definitely smaller than my other trucks. Here's it side by side with a Ford, an Ertl Ford F350. It's a little bit smaller. Anyway, this is part 1 of the build, just the mock-up. It's gonna look a lot better once I get paint and all that for it. But right now, that's what I've got so far. I stayed up really late last night building the machine for the bed. I also used JB Weld for the fenders. But I'm definitely going to be painting this model, just the bed mainly, and getting it propped up to where it fits better on the frame. So but anyway, this is the part 1 of my Dodge 3500 Cummins welding truck.